Snapchat tricks for next level snapping experience. Snapchat, an American instant messaging platform, is the most prominent app among Gen Z and millennials, and its self-vanishing snaps and chats feature has played a significant role in this. Moreover, Snapchat has brought exciting features for users which would be more fruitful if they want to boost their snapping game. According to this guide, from lesser-known features to time-saving shortcuts, Gad Insider covered the 5 essential Snapchat tricks to help users become the pro Snapchatter. Best Snapchat features. Taking screenshots on Snapchat. If your friend has sent a streak, you take a screenshot, but Snapchat will give a notification and display it on chat that you have screenshot the streak. The simple step without letting friends know about screenshots: ask Google Assistant, "Hey Google, take a screenshot." It won't notify your friend about the screenshot. Send normal photos as a snap. Click an image from your mobile camera, open Snapchat, and click the plus icon. Select the director mode. Select any image taken from a normal camera. You can send it as a snap to anyone in the contact list. Hide images using My Eyes only. If you need to hide personal images, it can be done easily using Snapchat Eyes. Go to the Snapchat app, go to the gallery camera roll, select the pictures, tap the option Hide displayed down the interface. Images will be shifted to My Eyes only, while to see hidden photos, you need to input a password. Create selfie with AI. You can simply create AI images using the AI selfie feature on Snapchat. Go to Settings and tap the AI selfie option. Upload a selfie and turn on the Dreams option. Then go to Memories and use Dream to create productive AI selfies. Brand information. Your friend has sent you an amazing dress and you want to know which brand your friend bought without asking? Take a screenshot and go to the gallery screenshot. There's a screenshot option displayed on the top from where you can get information on which website your friend used to purchase the dress.